Hey there! Today I will present you the racknex NM-AVM-001 for the FRITZ 7590. This rack mount offers you the possibility to mount the FRITZ 7590 and the 7590AX cleanly into a server cabinet. In order to be able to configure the next mount to your requirements, racknex offers a configurator on their website. To do this, simply go to racknex.com, then click on Shop in the top right corner and select AVM Fritzbox in the drop-down menu. Here you can choose between different models. The model I got here is the NM-AVM-001. You will find the configurator below the description and specifications. Here you can select the various keystones or connections and also include the right cables if you need them. At the bottom you will also find the option to add accessories, or in this case a rack cover. After the next mount was delivered within a few days, the Fritzbox can be installed easily in just a few steps. Thanks to the strap system, you don't need any tools or screws. The Fritzbox is simply placed into the rack. On the back there are two small tabs which holds the router into place. Now that the Fritzbox is in the right position, you simply close this Velcro fastener and your box is installed securely. As you probably have already seen, there are some ports and connections here on the front right side. These ports here allow you quick and easy access to the connections that are usually placed on the back of the Fritzbox. These keystones here have already been pre-configured appropriately on their website. And in my case, I also ordered all the required cables on racknex.com. In the next step, I then simply connect the 4 or 5 LAN ports, the 3 telephone jacks, the USB cable and of course the DSL connection. Then I fix all the cables with a few small cable ties to get a pleasant layout. After you have everything installed into the next mount, you got yourself a very easy access to all the ports and connections that normally the Fritzbox offers you on the back. As you can see, the installation was very easy and took less than 5 minutes. And in the next step, the next mount can be installed into the server cabinet. In my case, I will install the next mount above my keystone patch panel to connect everything nice and tidy to my network. And with the rack mount bracket, it is even possible to attach the next mount under a desk, on the wall or inside a sideboard.